Venmo just added the ability to send digital gift cards through their app, and this is how you do it. Before you start though, you have to make sure that you and the other person both have Venmo accounts. Once you do, open the Venmo app and then down at the bottom, tap Pay and Request. Inside of here, find the person that you want to send the gift card to and then select their name. You can find the person by their Venmo name, their phone number, or their email address on file. Once you select the person that you're sending to, enter the amount of money that you want to add to the gift card. Next, in the What's This For box here, enter in what you want to send the gift card for. Now normally you would hit Pay and then send the money to the other user right away. But this time, you'll now see the gift icon here on the top right of the message bar. Choose that, and then on the next screen, you can scroll through and find the gift card that you want to send to the other person. Let's say my buddy here is a huge coffee guy, so I'll go ahead and hit Starbucks. You can then scroll through the different digital gift card layout designs, and when you find one that you like, choose it, and then you'll get a preview of what it's going to look like. If you're happy with that design and that's what you want to go with, hit Continue at the bottom. You'll then get a quick overview of who you're sending to, the gift card that you're sending with the message, and then down at the bottom, your Venmo balance or where you're going to be drawing the money from. When you're ready, tap Purchase Gift Card, and it'll then buy the gift card and then send it off. One more quick option here, if you don't want to give them a gift card to a specific place, you can just give them money through a digital cash card. To do that, head back one, and then tap the Edit icon here to the right of the envelope. Next, tap Edit, and then back on the gift card page, tap Cash here at the top. This time, you can now just select a design that you like, preview it, and then tap Continue again. And just like before, you'll see a quick overview of your gift where you can hit Pay and it'll send it off to your friend. And that's the new way that you can send digital gift cards inside of Venmo.